Yeah, Adam Vaz and Toni Barnes stopped the Matrix Sporting Clay competition recently at the Knolford Ranch in Bogwalk, St. Catherine, after getting the better of more than 150 competitors on the expansive driving course that was peppered with a number of targets to test their resolve and skill during a hot day of shooting.
It was Adam Vaz's first HOA highest overall designation, but it was not an easy win as he was paired with the four-time national shotgun champion Christian Sasso, the first winner of the Matrix shoot in 2024. Vaz picked off all 6 birds on Station 5 where he started, then lost 1 each on 6 and 7, then back to cleaning up the stations all the way to Station 14 before dropping another bird. He was perfect on 9 of the 17 stations to post a top score of 89 out of a possible 100. Stevie McConnell scored 88 to celebrate his first runner-up spot in any sporting clay competition, which he did from the B class. The ladies' winner, Toni Barnes, bagged 4 out of 6 birds on Station 9 where she started to pick off 72 out of 100. Her win was not smooth sailing though, as she topped the podium by just 1 bird, ahead of runner-up Lorian Harris, who shot 71.
I feel happy, I feel excited. It was a really interesting course and I had a lot of fun today. Station 7 was really difficult, but throughout the course, I think that it required a lot of concentration, a lot of maintained focus. So even the stations that weren't that difficult, you had to concentrate, you had to keep your form, keep your focus on it. So overall, I think it was a challenging course, but if you're able to concentrate, you could push through.
Meanwhile, Jeffrey Zadie topped the A class by way of a shoot-off against Andrew Hopwood. Craig Hendrickson bagged B class. The C class title went to Fraser McConnell. The D class winner was Dale Della Penna. Paul Chisholm won the E class. The Hunters or Beginners class was topped by Andrew Groves, while David Wong sealed the juniors and Noah Singh landed the sub-juniors crown. In the meantime, several shooters were promoted based on their performance. They include Stevie McConnell to A, Fraser McConnell to B, Dale Della Penna to C, Paul Chisholm to D, while Andrew Groves, Cameron Henderson and Noah Singh all moved up to E class. Organizers of the 3-year event is the Matrix Foundation.
The shooters, they come out and they support the event because the Matrix Foundation is geared towards assisting as much as we can. For example, all proceeds from this shoot, it goes towards the Jamaica Cancer Society, and we're very pleased to be hosting a 3rd event.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.